So, welcome to the New York session. So, today's day was not that good, like expected. Like we expected quite good news today. Yes, we got some 1 is to 2 here, but yes, later it moved towards stop loss. And yes, I couldn't put partial at this time, and it was a quite quick move. Quick move. So, till I could book the partials, it started falling down. Then again, the second entry triggered here, and yes, today we are in a loss. Yes, this is what I would like to show. So yes, almost 1730. As we are risking on the profit, we started with 10K. So yes, we were risking on our profit, and yes, today was a lossy day till now. Now the question arises that we like, are we over trading? So no, see what actually the over trading is for me. Like if we have a proper setup and if we are trading, then doesn't matter if we have a stop loss or anything, we are still in the game. But if we are not having any, we are not following any rules, and then we are having stop loss and still we are doing a revenge sharing, yes, then that's not fair. Or we have a setup, we have already planned. Like if again here I will get an entry, yes, I will take the entries and let's see what happens. Like I showed here, like doesn't matter even if we have. Now see how much stop loss we had today. Let me show you one thing. So here it was a one zone where we lost, then second zone, then third zone, and now we are on the fourth zone. So we can say that we had three losses. Okay. So see, even if I will consider as a 10,000, I reached a bit less. So even if we got a three loss, we would have been around 712. And based on this, like even if I win the last three zones, I will be making good decent profits. This is just for 1 is to 2. And as you know, my strategy gives more than 1 is to 4, 5, 6 something. So I'm just talking about 1 is to 2. So it doesn't matter even if we have three losses, four losses. I want just three wins out of 10 trades. Right? Out of the 10 zones, I just want three wins. And that will give me a superb results. So I'm not worried about it. You can see here, even after three losses, my capital should be around 712. But because of our good risk reward ratio, my capital is still about 10,000. Okay, so now again, if I risk again in the next trade, and even if I lose, doesn't matter. But if I win, again, my capital will be something around 8,000, which is already I am in a profit. Okay, so this is what the calculation I have created, and that's why doesn't matter even if we have three losses, four losses continue, four losses. Yes, the thing to worry is if we have continuous eight losses in our zones. Because, like I said, for me, one loss, that means a loss in the one zone. Because I distribute my risk per trade based on that particular zone. Right? So even if I'm taking three entries, like here it was one, two, three, this three entry together had a risk of $600. Okay. So that's the case, what I'm trying to explain. So it doesn't matter. So like in that way, you can see even though here there was a three losses, I will consider this whole as one loss. Here I had again the three losses. I'll consider this whole as a second loss. Here also I had a loss. I'll consider it all as a three loss. So total, I had three losses today. And now let's see what will be the outcome of this fourth trade. Okay, then we will decide on this. Okay, but we will be risking on the fourth trade, no matter whatever the condition is. Okay, because we are not blindly trading, we are trading on our setup. So yes, that doesn't matter now. We are and it should have been triggered, but not triggered. The spread case. You can see here. Just by just small difference. So this is what we missed because of spread. Every broker has a spread, so yes, we have to accept it. No issue, you can come again, and then we can enter in that trade. So yeah, that's it. So I can say the second zone work is done in loss. Even third zone work is done in loss. Now we are waiting for these four selling zones and also this zone now. Technically, this trade has been triggered, but yes, I'm sure that none of the broker in this trade has been triggered. Yeah, because it was a complete snapper entry, so obviously it trades will not be triggered. Waiting for another 60 minutes for another four levels. 7:29 will be marking another levels. Even if we talk, there is a chance that price may fall till around 467 to 73. Is a chance. So if we find any level around that zone, that may give us good profit. Looks like we might get entry here. Yes, waiting for this one. Even if this it's sticky, but then also we will be having good profit. Actually, the risk here should be around $780 as per my account. That means around $195 risk on this zone, like this entry 195, this entry 195, and remaining 180 around this. Sorry, remaining 390. So calculate. This is 99, around 49. Let's see if the English figured. Not yet. Now I have managed the entry to risk of around $192. Initially, it was something around 150. So now I have placed a buy limit on both these orders with a risk of around $192 per trade. So let's see. So that's why the two orders have been increased. So Just missed by an inch. Let's see if we get it. It would be good if both the entries are triggered and then we get a good green candle. Mm, Missed by an inch just because of the spread. Now it's moving in our direction. Okay, after 3 minutes, we'll be marking another levels. Okay. So I'm marking the labels again now. So these are the last two buy levels for today. Uh, some selling levels will be refined. Okay, so like we can see here, these three regions are overlapping. So we will be trading only on this upper level. We will ignore these two selling zones. Okay, so we'll be entering on this four zones, and now the current zone and the remaining two buy zones. So these are the final trades for today. So let's see how this goes. Yeah, even if this hits TP, then also the loss will be covered. But yet we are not into the trade because of the spread. So yes, let's see. And if not this, then these are the last two buying zones. And yes, if you get entry to any of these zones, this may give us a massive, massive TP. So let's see. So that's it for today. See you all tomorrow again during the Asian session at 9:30 a.m. Sorry, uh, at 10 a.m. So they'll be coming at 10 a.m. in the Asian session. So that's it for today. Bye bye. Good night. Take care.